No, you're supposed to turn the camera and show the view.
Wake up, just let me lay down in your sunlight. I know the way it makes me feel.
Good morning, everybody. What's up? My name is Sunny Galicia and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a beach vlog. Swimming at the beach, and now we're gonna walk around at either the pier or main place. So let's go. This is kind of cute. This is actually really cute.
I would start working out because I bought shoes.
Way too many bathing suits. They're way too cute. And they like serve a lot of like chicken mixed with other stuff, and I got the crazy mac and cheese, and then I got chicken tenders with ranch. What did you get? Okay, yeah, that's perfect. What did you get? The original, right? Yep, that's also perfect. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat and I'll see you guys in a bit. So now we're walking on the pier, and you can see all the stores over there. Dude was hella tawny, looks younger than me. Whenever they do that, I feel like someone's throwing fire in the air. I think these are really cool. And they have like shops in here, which we're going in right now. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what your favorite part of going to the beach is. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!